Hey guys, welcome. So, Carl and I are taking that trip to Costa Rica. It's our 10-year anniversary. No kids, just us. First time in 10 years. We're boarding the flight from New Orleans. We have to take two flights, one from New Orleans to Fort Lauderdale and then Fort Lauderdale to Costa Rica. Come travel with us. I'm come to Costa Rica mango chop off a tree. Ah! I picked them up. In the business, me a big water to wash too. Look. Look. The big water I'm wash them too. Yeah, them they are going to eat right now. Driving in Costa Rica. So we landed at the airport in San Jose, and it'll take us approximately 2 hours and 45 minutes to get to our destination in La Fortuna. It is in the mountains. There is an active volcano, and we're super excited. It is so green and beautiful here in Costa Rica. This is great. The light switch. Hey, baby, we got chocolate covered strawberries. And there's another drink. Alright, now I have to do this again because I'm too excited to see. Ha! Nice views. I'm gonna open this now. Baby, I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna open this. It's a slide. I don't know. Yep. And then the slide again. Oh, so you can leave it open. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.